car washes print money. The average owner takes home $20,000 every single month. But most people who try this lose everything in the first year. $20,000 every month, deposited into your bank account. Sounds fake, right? But this is real math from a real business that runs 24 hours a day. Here is the problem. 90% of new car wash owners fail. They pick the wrong location. They buy cheap equipment. They run out of cash before customers show up. Let's break down the real numbers. No hype. No guru talk. Just real revenue, real costs, and real profit from an average car wash in America. One basic wash costs $15. A premium wash with wax costs $25. Most customers pick the middle option at $18. That's your average ticket. If you wash 100 cars per day, you make $1,500. That's just day one. Now imagine doing that every single day for 30 days straight. $1,500 times 30 days equals $45,000 per month. That is your gross revenue before you pay a single bill. But revenue is not profit. You have to pay for the building, the water, the soap, the employees, and the loan. Let's see where the money goes. First, the build. A new automatic tunnel wash costs between $300,000 and $800,000. Land, construction, and equipment are not cheap. Then your monthly loan payment. $8,000 goes to the bank every month just for the building and the machines. That's fixed. Water, soap, and electricity cost about $4,000 per month. Then payroll for 3 employees costs another $10,000. You cannot run this alone. Add it all up and your monthly expenses are around $25,000. So we take $45,000 in revenue and subtract $25,000 in costs. That leaves $20,000 in profit every single month. Profit you can actually take home or reinvest into a second location. 20,000 times 12 months equals $240,000 per year. From one location. And it gets easier every year after that. The best part is this business runs mostly by itself. Machines wash cars. Employees handle problems. You check reports from your phone anywhere in the world. So how do you start? Step 1 is location. This is 90% of success. If you get this wrong, nothing else matters. You need 30,000 cars driving past every day. Gas stations, grocery stores, and highways are perfect. No traffic means no customers, no matter how good you are. Step 2, pick your type. Self-serve bays cost $50,000 to start but need more work. Automatic tunnels cost $500,000 but are mostly passive. Step 3 is financing. Banks love car washes. The failure rate is under 2%. That means it's easier to get a loan than for most businesses. Now the 3 mistakes that kill most car washes. Avoid these and you are already ahead of 90% of your competition. Mistake 1, bad location. If drivers cannot see your sign from the road, they will never stop. Visibility is everything in this business. Mistake 2, cheap equipment. It breaks down every week. Angry customers leave 1-star reviews and never come back. Buy quality once. Mistake 3, no memberships. You need monthly unlimited plans. $30 per month gives you predictable cash flow even in winter when it's slow. Car washes are boring. But boring businesses make millionaires. Exciting businesses make good stories. Boring businesses make bank accounts grow. Next week I'll break down laundromats. Same concept, even less work, and the cash flow is insane. Subscribe so you don't miss it. If this helped you, subscribe to this channel. I break down the real numbers behind real businesses every week. No fluff. Just math. See you in the next one. Stay positive.